Resources. Obviously, you have to use the resources in order to pass out this paper. First of all, general resources which your students are using includes your lectures, definitely your lectures on your VLS portal. Now my lecture includes description of the topic with the examples and then jumping onto the past paper practice. The resources, your lectures, notes available on your portal. There is a dedicated notes available on your VLS portal for study after completion of the lectures, right? Approved ACCA material like ACCA Study Hub. Other materials like study text, exam kits of BPP Kaplan. Now, I must say that you must need to use the ACCA Study Hub plus Kaplan exam kit. Now, why I'm preferring Kaplan exam kit? Basically, whatever the exam kit you are using like BPP or Kaplan, there are actually past papers. But in the Kaplan exam kit, they have selected the good questions, and the answer which is included in the Kaplan exam kit is of actually the answer of the examiner, not of the BPP writers or the Kaplan writers, right? So this is a very simple point. Next one about the resources. Must use ACCA practice platform. ACCA practice platform is just the it's a copy of the actual past paper. It is actually by ACCA. I should not use the word copy. It is the ACCA practice platform, which ACCA has given you the access through your my ACCA login credentials. So ACCA practice platform is very much important to use because you will be able to understand and see how the real examination, the window, the functions would be operating. So it will help you to improve your typing speed. It will enable to focus on the exam window. Your practice plus your confidence is very much important, would increase. For example, I'm doing a lot of practice, but if I'm not confident, I will not be able to ace the exam. So your confidence is very much important. Along with the practice, your confidence. So that's why it is very much important for you to use the ACCA practice platform.